Can Tajin seasoning be used as a replacement for other spices or seasonings in recipes?
Hello, spice lovers! Today we're diving into a vibrant, tangy, and slightly spicy world of Tajin seasoning. Can it be used as a replacement for other spices or seasonings in recipes? Let's find out.
What is Tajin seasoning?
Tajin seasoning is a versatile and popular Mexican condiment. It's a mixture of chili peppers, dehydrated lime juice, and salt, offering a unique blend of tanginess, saltiness, and a hint of heat. It's commonly used to season fruits and vegetables, but it can bring its unique flavor to a variety of dishes.
Can Tajin seasoning replace other spices?
The answer is yes, but with a bit of caution. Tajin seasoning has a distinctive flavor profile that may not align with every dish. However, it could replace or complement spices that pair well with its citrusy and spicy notes. For instance, you can substitute Tajin for other chili-based spices, or use it to replace or enhance citrus ingredients like lemon or lime zest. Remember, substitution always depends on the flavor you're aiming for. If your recipe can benefit from a tangy, salty, and slightly spicy kick, then Tajin is a great option.
What are some good examples of substitutions?
1. Barbecue rubs. Tajin can replace spices like chili powder or paprika in barbecue rubs. It can provide a unique tangy twist to your grilled meats. 2. Baked goods. If you're making a spicy or savory baked good, Tajin can stand in for spices like chili flakes or cayenne pepper. 3. Cocktails. If your cocktail recipe calls for a rim of salt or sugar, try Tajin instead for a unique twist. It's especially great in margaritas. In summary, Tajin seasoning is a versatile and unique spice mix that can replace certain spices and seasonings in your cooking, adding a vibrant, tangy, and slightly spicy touch. Don't be afraid to experiment, and remember, the goal is to make your dishes delightfully delicious. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking!